Hello everyone, we are Group 10 Team Emo and I am Shi Ying-Tai. I will make a description about our project idea. Our group decided to make a smart cloakroom and there will be a mobile application called Storage to help users interact with it. We wanted to develop this project initially for integrating innovative technology into our life. Nowadays, more and more people pay more attention to how they dress for different occasions, but with the rapidly developing society, people can allocate very little time for comfortable research on what to wear. So we hope to use technology, humanized design, and intimate functions to help people manage and storage their clothes. Before deciding to look into this smart cloakroom, our group had a number of group meetings to discuss the features of the smart cloakroom. After several group discussions, the 4 features that we eventually select were intelligent switch remote control, remote environment adjustment, clothing storage and identification, and intelligent security. In addition, we hope that the cloakroom could not only facilitate people's life, but also bring reasonable clothing plannings for people who need to dress up, so that the line of user will become very interesting and colorful.
I'm Yang Feng. I will introduce to you some progress and innovation of our group project. Our project was originally the idea of our group's Zhong Zhenhuang's personal project in Assignment 1. He hoped to introduce artificial intelligence into the design of today's wardrobe, so as to help users better manage their own clothes. And in our assignment 2, we made some changes and innovations to the project. We hoped to expand the design from a single intelligent wardrobe to an intelligent cloakroom. And in assignment 3, we paid more attention to the function development of smartphone applications. We added more remote control functions to help users manage their own wardrobe on mobile devices. The innovation of our project is mainly reflected in the functional design of the cloakroom and the interaction of mobile app. We have added a more intelligent voice system to the cloakroom system, which can realize intelligent communication with users and better understand the user's dressing needs. In addition, we have added a mobile app to connect with the cloakroom remotely. We hope to help users manage their cloakroom anytime and anywhere. In addition, it will be more convenient to manage the wardrobe on the mobile app, which is easier for users to use daily. Thank you.
Hi, I am Xiaozhe, a member of EMO, and I am responsible for the physical design part of the project idea in Assignment 3. Let's talk about the color first. I choose the dark brown and beige as the main color of this application because those 2 colors make people feel warm, and the most people's homes have this color, so I choose it. And the layout is very special. Unlike the ordinary application, they often put the bottom bar at the bottom of the page. I put the bottom bar at the left side. And I designed the devices control page as the same as the similarities remote control, so it can help user to know how this button represent, and elderly and the children can use these applications. Finally, let's talk about my favorite part, the clothing part. I believe the most people as the same as me are headache at the clothing organization. So I think our application is very useful, and I really like the daily recommendation function. I remember that times I was talking with my friend with the summer dressings, and she suddenly said if there are somebody can help her to finish her daily outfit, will be very good. So I think we can add this in our application. And I really like the article function too, because the user don't need to open the magazine application one by one. They just can look the fashion article in our application, which will very useful and very helpful. Perhaps now our applications looks unattainable, but I think it can become true. Just need to combine the artificial intelligence technology and make an adjustment. So I look forward our application storage can really come to people's life in the future. That's all. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Zhong Han. Our project was initially about smart wardrobe and then expand to smart dressing rooms, and then first to implement smart home application to control and manage some smart home devices. During the implementation of this entire project, I think our project has a great market prospect. Nowadays, smart devices are becoming more and more widespread, but they are not yet popular in smart homes. So our project is also close to the market demand. According to the global smart home market scale picture, we can see that the global smart home market will grow from $78.3 billion in 2020 to $135.3 billion in 2025. So the market for smart home is huge. Consumers' increasing preference for smart products is expected to greatly perform the growth of the smart home market. Intelligent environment to control and manage it. It will also become more and more popular. So the future development of our project will get better and better. The able is my presentation. Thanks.
My name is Jin Xuan Long, whose student number is S3886096. In this part, I'm going to introduce the staff and technical skills that we need in our project. In terms of project team, we are going to arrange few people to complete the whole project. A project manager is the leader who need to follow up others' progress. Marketing manager is insignificant at the beginning of the project in that he or she have to do a large number of servers so that the designers can learn about how to design the function due to the requirement of the users. The application will be developed by application developer. At last, cloakroom designer have to take interaction between cloakroom and application into consideration. In terms of the technical skills, a whole cloakroom must be designed at first. Xiaozhuo Jiang in our teams is good at industry design, and she have a knowledge of AI development as well. That means she can learn about AI, how to develop it and use. Yang Feng in our team even had a high mark in courses user-centered design, and his skill for web front-end web development, we believe that he can do it well. We have to complete all functions in mobile application as well. As a student who is crazy about back-end development, I have mastered popular programming language like Java and PHP, which are useful for application development. And I have completed a few little websites and applications like satisfaction server app and shopping app.
Hi, my name is Yuxuan He. I'm going to talk about the testing risks and our communication on this project. In terms of testing, we use a function decomposition test method. Because our smart cloakroom is composed of many parts, the unified test will not be comprehensive, so we test their functions for each item. For example, first we test the light sensor. Use the light of different brightness and observe whether it will automatically adjust the light intensity. We will set up several samples to test under different use conditions. And finally, we collect the data. Next is risks. In terms of development, our organization is not very good. We lack strong and cohesive leaders. So we always discuss for a long time before we have a solution. In terms of product usage, it will be unusable due to unexpected factors such as power failure. Finally, in terms of communication, this is the smallest part. Because everyone is very active in participating, we will have meetings and discussions through Teams and WeChat. And everyone can give feedback in time, which is great. That's all. Thank you.